Our first stop takes us to the iconic Palace of Versailles in France, built in the 17th century by King Louis XIV. It epitomizes the grandeur of French Baroque architecture. The palace boasts over 2,300 rooms, each more lavish than the last. The Hall of Mirrors, with its 17 mirrored arches reflecting the gardens through equally grandiose windows, remains one of the most breathtaking sights. From France, we fly to India, home to the legendary Antilia in Mumbai. This modern-day palace belongs to Mukesh Ambani, one of the wealthiest people in the world. Standing 27 stories tall, Antilia is a towering symbol of contemporary luxury and high-tech living. It features 3 helipads, a 168-car garage, and numerous swimming pools, among other amenities. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Winter Palace in St. Petersburg, Russia. This former residence of the Russian Tsars is a stunning blend of Baroque and neoclassical styles. Now part of the Hermitage Museum, it houses an astounding collection of art from around the world. Imagine living amid such splendor, surrounded by masterpieces at every turn. It stands as a reminder of the extravagant lifestyles led by Russia's ruling elite before the fall of the monarchy. From historical castles, we shift to contemporary luxury with a look at the Chartwell estate in Los Angeles, California. Once the most expensive home in the United States, this grand mansion is a nod to European style with its sprawling gardens and opulent interiors. Featured in the television show The Beverly Hillbillies, it exemplifies the glamour and excess associated with Hollywood's golden era. And so we end our journey through these halls of grandeur, where history and opulence intertwine, inviting us to dream of possibilities beyond the ordinary. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the world's most extravagant homes and castles. Until next time, may your imagination lead you to explore new horizons.